Imagine standing in front of a massive cascading waterfall only to realize there is not a single drop of water inside. Welcome to the Šomoška Stone Waterfall, tucked away right on the border of Slovakia and Hungary. This is easily one of the strangest and rarest geological anomalies in Europe. While normal waterfalls are carved out over thousands of years by rushing rivers, this one was born completely out of volcanic fire. Roughly 4 million years ago, boiling hot, liquid basalt lava pushed its way up through cracks in the earth. As it slowly cooled down, it shrank and cracked into neat 5- and 6-sided pillars. Geologists call this process columnar jointing. Usually these pillars stand straight up like giant stone teeth, but at Šomoška, the lava happened to spill over a steep sloping hillside. Because of that angle, it froze mid-tumble, creating a perfect illusion of a 9-meter-high stone cascade. And here is the weirdest part that most history books leave out. Nobody even knew this masterpiece existed until the 14th century. Medieval builders were digging into the hill to mine stone for the nearby Šomoška castle, and they accidentally uncovered this hidden treasure. If you look closely at the castle walls today, you can actually see they built parts of it using these exact hexagonal pillars. So if you visit today, you can take a beautiful moderate 45-minute hike through the Sirova Highlands nature trail to see it yourself. Along the way, you will see past the stone sea, a massive, surreal field inside the woods made entirely of crumbled volcanic rocks. So would you add this fire-born wonder to your travel bucket list? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit follow for more hidden destinations around the world. Thanks for watching.